Hi friends, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunities. So first important opportunity from the IDFC first point, they are hiring for the role of associate manager acquisition household. And earlier I've also provided you the role for the software development. So if you haven't applied for the IDFC bank, then must go through that video. Okay, so I will also pin that video in comment. Make sure to check out that. So they are hiring for the role that is associate manager acquisition, and this is the branch banking. So this will be your responsibility, ensure high quality customer acquisitions, onboarding and all those things. So who are eligible? So graduate means who have done graduations in bachelor's in engineering, technology, maths, commerce, arts, science, biology, business, computers, management. So किन्हीं से भी आपने किया, then you are eligible for that. And freshers are eligible, mean till 2025 can apply. So 2024, 2023 all can apply for this important opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity from the American Express, they are hiring for the low role of software engineer, and the job location is Bangalore. So you can go through the complete job link in the description. Okay, and for that you should have some experience in this. Okay, but for fresher they are also hiring, so you can check out the other link from my video. Okay, next important opportunity from the F13 technology, they are hiring for the role of cloud intern AWS. You know the importance of AWS in cloud computing and all those things, and the futures will be AWS. So you can apply for this role. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. So this is the cloud intern AWS, and duration will be 3 months. So work from home opportunity will be there. Okay, so coming to next important opportunity, and that is for the role of the account manager. So Goodspace API AI and CTC will be this. So means company is Goodsy, and from there you can quickly apply for that. So these are the data analysis, sales forecasting, presentation software, and all those skills are required. Friends, one of the biggest hiring is still going on, and they have extended the date from the Cognizant. So if you haven't applied, especially if you know any candidates now to who are eligible for 3-year full-time degree program, then must share this job link. Okay, help each other to get the job. So they have again extended the date, and for the 2024 2025 3-year full-time degree program. And I have already provided in detail about this role. So you will involve in crowd operation and all those things. Skills required: good communication, written and communications. And 2024 to 2025 are eligible, and you should have just basic 60%. Okay, and 3-year degree program means BCA, BSc, computer science in technology, all those are eligible for that. So I'll provide all the job link in the description. You can apply for that. Coming to next important opportunity from the BNY, and this is kind of direct text hiring and code divas 2026. So this is one the wonderful opportunity, and you can get the gift voucher up to 1 lakh. Okay, so you can apply, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So BNY India, you know, this is a global firm, and it is a international operations private limited, and BNY Technology private limited. So they have got lots of award and all things. So you have to basically register for it. So still means 10 days are remaining for registration. So if you haven't applied, must apply through it. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule a mock interview with us, then you can also schedule with us by just filling the form. So these are some of the important opportunity. Again saying, friends, those who are preparing for the NQT now, give your best and utilize these 10 to 15 days very, very carefully. I've already launched the coding series. So if you haven't gone through it, go through that. There I'm providing you the most repeated coding questions. And beside that, I'm also sharing the notes and other material in my Telegram or WhatsApp group. So by the way, if you haven't applied, then you can if you haven't joined that group, then must join. There I'm sending the notes and other material free of cost. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.